In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a store subscription on eBay, a comprehensive tutorial perfect for beginners. We'll walk through each of the steps together to ensure you end up with the right subscription plan tailored to your needs. Let's dive in right away. First, we need to navigate to the appropriate section within your eBay account. Head over to your eBay Seller Hub, and from there, click on the Subscriptions tab. This is your gateway to accessing all the store subscription options eBay has to offer. The Seller Hub is a fantastic tool for managing all the aspects of your eBay business, including the critical choice of which store subscription will best suit your strategies and sales needs. Once you've reached the subscription section, the next order of business is to review the available store levels. eBay offers multiple store subscription options, each differing in terms of benefits and costs. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these options will be crucial in making an informed decision that aligns with your business objectives. Typically, the store levels range from basic to premium to anchor, each designed with different types of sellers in mind, whether you're just starting out or managing a high-volume store. Now that you're acquainted with the available store levels, the next step is to carry out a careful comparison of their features and respective fees. This is arguably the most critical part of the process. Each store level has its own set of features, such as the number of free listings offered or the discounts on final value fees. Pay close attention to these details to identify what meets your selling needs most efficiently. Don't forget to consider any additional perks, such as dedicated customer support or promotional tools that might be included, as these can provide excellent value for higher-tier subscriptions. After you've compared features and fees, take some time to assess which subscription will fit your needs best. Think about your current business model, including how many items you typically list and sell per month. Consider your plans for growth. Are you aiming to scale up quickly, or are you focusing on niche market depth? By aligning your choice of subscription with both your current state and future ambitions, you ensure that the plan you select today will support your business tomorrow. Choosing the right eBay store subscription can set you on a path to maximize your business's potential by minimizing costs and leveraging helpful features. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of eBay or looking to refine your existing setup, taking the time to choose a subscription thoughtfully is a worthwhile investment in your e-commerce journey. That wraps up our tutorial on selecting a store subscription on eBay. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on achieving eBay success. Until next time, happy selling.